Okay, hi there. So if you're searching for a client and the client is, and it's not where it's supposed to be, go into the search bar on the top here. You click in the field and type in the client that you are searching for, name or surname. In this case, I'm looking for Hilary Davidoff. So this client is in booking confirmed. When, say, for example, you wanted this client to be under invoice client, but it's in booking confirmed. So, and this lead is abandoned. So you need to, if it's abandoned, the question is, how was this abandoned? The only time it becomes abandoned is if it goes into this column here, which is abandoned leads. So I'm not sure how this contact turned into an abandoned lead. Um, so what you need to do though to put it on the invoice client is to click on the client. So you click on it. Whilst you're holding your click down, you drag it into invoice client and you release it on the invoice client. And then it should go into invoice client. So that's how you would move it from one stage to the other. So from booking confirmed, it either goes to invoice client, to no show, or client to reschedule. Okay. And as you can see, this abandoned is gone now. It's back to being open. Thanks.